Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode, and let me show you how to configure that mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings. Here you need to choose the sounds, and right here you can find Do Not Disturb. Let's tap it. As you can see, you can enable Do Not Disturb right here just by using the switcher. So let me do it. Here you can also choose the Do Not Disturb mode. You can select alarms only, you can choose don't interrupt at all, or you can select allow priority interruptions only. Let me choose allow priority interruptions, and as you can see, you can define your priority interruptions. So you can handle here with calls and messages. You can accept some calls from some favorite list, from some trustful list, or from other group of people. You may also here handle with repeat callers if you would like to. Alright, let me go back, and as you can see here, you can also use the scheduled time. So we can set up the time when Do Not Disturb will be activated automatically. You can add some customized rule as well. Alright, now let's go back, and here you can start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.